We are back in the woods for a walk. Look at that little guy. These guys never leave me. Ari is the German Shepherd, the black one. And Amos is the golden. He's a big mama's boy. She's the boss. And he respects her. But they don't go anywhere. They wait for me always. Good girl, Ari. Good boy, Mono. Came upon that. Look at those mushrooms. Let me know if you know what kind of mushrooms these are. They don't look edible to me. Look at those two handsome fellas. There's so many, all on the forest floor. Right here, I don't know, it's like a sponge. No, Ari, come here. That's pretty cool. Well, we made it out of there. Now, I also made last night a peach cobbler. And it is delicious. Served it with some vanilla ice cream and whipped cream. I pulled out about 4 or 5 of these. I decided to go ahead and make some of these. They're just deep fried squash. So I've got beans going in the pressure cooker. I'm going to be making some bean and cheese flat tacos for supper tonight. So that's what we got going on.